Do you know how hunters of old used to trap monkeys? A man asked his child. Rather than chasing them up off a tree or shooting arrows from below, they would put a heavy glass jar with a narrow neck on the floor, which had the monkey's favorite food inside. They would then step back and hide, waiting for the unsuspecting animal to approach. When it did, the monkey would reach inside, clench a fist around the food, and try to pull it out. However, the narrow neck of the jar would stop the poor monkey from getting its hand out.